Raja, Department of IAC, SABIT. Today I'll be explaining Web Technology Lab and its application.
Good morning, all. Coming to your next lab program of your web technology is deals with data shrinking and text shrinking. Very important concept. Two important concepts we are discussing. Here it is. Your data, that is your here. Write a JavaScript that display data growing with increasing font size and intervals of 100 ms, that is 100 milliseconds in red color. Everything has been given. Data growing you have to do, data shrinking you have to do, and with size decreasing of 5 ppt. Okay, let's check this program with some design, then you can usually understand what is the task of the program. Let write the code first. Sorry, let write a design for this. Okay, see here, we'll write the design for this and we can easily understand the code. Where is the notes? Okay, done. See here. What is the task of the program? See here, program 3 is been introducing with, is telling to perform data growing and data growing and data shrinking, right? Data growing and data shrinking is been telling to introduce two concepts, that is data growing and data shrinking. Okay, data growing and data shrinking. Data growing, data shrinking. The two concept is been introducing. Yes, done. Yes, we got two concept, that is data growing and data shrinking. He has been told to do data growing. He has been told to do data growing. That is data growing has to be done with an interval of 100 ms with red color. 100 ms, 100 milliseconds with red color. Very important. He has been stating the same color you have to do. Okay, next is data shrinking, is telling us to do with decreasing of 5 ppt with blue color. Very important. Decreasing of your 5 ppt with blue color. Blue color. This is your blue color. This is your red color. Two important concept: data growing and data shrinking. It is of 100 ms with red color. Data shrinking of 5 ppt with blue color. What is this data growing? Like if I write Arun, if I just go and press with an Arun tab, when it comes to the data growing, Arun should go with the red color with growing purpose. That is your like increasing font. The font should be increases with something. When I go with the concept of data shrinking with Arun pressing with an Arun tab, it should shrink, or it should go down with, or the value should be go down with blue color. That is the concept. Are you all getting? Now I think you have understood the concept. Let go with what is it? Programming. Then you can easily understand. Let's go with the code. See here. Let's go with the code. Check the code. Yes. Document ID is equal to two ID is been given. One is data growing and data shrinking. Yes. Started with a script. Script he has been given. Set an interval. First to set the interval, he has been told that you have to set the interval. Yes. Grow the text and value. Two argument values been passed. One is grow text and width and value passes 100. Yes. Value has been called. Next a function. I'm introducing a function called grow text. If size is greater than P51, size equal to size plus 1 and pass the text, that is P1, P2 and P3. What is P1? P1 is your text growing. P2 is your text shrinking and text. If it is not done with the value, call an interval value with visible hidden, and you can just make it as visible. That's it. Okay, two introduced value, one is been given with a grow text and one is shrink. Two function is been calling, one is the function grow text, one is shrink text one. Okay, in this function, first function is been calling with 2, that is been given with a size of 51. If its size increases, makes the size into plus 1 and call any value into it and change the color to red. If it is if the value exceeded, understand, if interval is gone with 100 ms, if the value goes with 101, then you hide that value. Like Arun, if I go and press with Arun, if the value goes with 100 ms, after that you just hide that value. That is the task of the first function. Once you come with data shrink, that is, once it has been done, you do with pressing that is squashing of your, it is called a squashing of your text. That's it. Are you getting? I think you have understood the code with some example. This is your third program. Thank you all.